Now, when it comes to the cryptocurrency space, there is absolutely never a dull moment. And even during this crypto winter, when it seems like nobody is interested in cryptocurrency, nobody is signing new customers up, nobody is growing in the business, well, that might not be the case. Binance absolutely seems to be growing as it plans on hiring more of a workforce in order to handle the increased operations. We're going to be talking about that. I want to talk a little bit about Voyager because Voyager in this Binance deal seems like it could be going through. And Gala Games, guys, Gala going from 1.50 cents to 5 cents and releasing, well, not releasing, deleting some major news which led to that rally, which could absolutely lead to a shorting opportunity if you guys are out there and trying to take advantage of declines in coins as well. So let's discuss all of the latest cryptocurrency news, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you get a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade gets $5 in free crypto. You want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff. You get KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, none of these exchanges, even though we're going to be talking about some good news surrounding Binance, none of them are guaranteed. They could be a great place to buy and sell, but they may not be a good or safe place to hold right now. Now, the first headline and the first article I want to discuss this evening, is Binance plans a 15 to 30% hiring spree throughout 2023. Guys, we discussed Coinbase a couple of days ago, talking about Coinbase laying off another 20% of its workforce, or 950 people. We talked about Genesis looking to lay off massive amounts of people as well. Gemini could be in some trouble. All of these cryptocurrency exchanges are either going on hiring freezes or they are laying off their employees to kind of lean down during this cryptocurrency winter, except for Binance. Binance seems to be bucking the trend of the cryptocurrency market right now and growing throughout this crypto winter. One of the reasons they may be doing so has to deal with Voyager. And I want to discuss Voyager here, and it's going to kind of lead into that segment really quick. But Voyager and Binance, we know that Voyager went bankrupt. I believe it was back in June or July of 2022 there. And customers' assets have just been locked up and held hostage ever since. Now, FTX had come in a couple of months ago and bid, I believe, $1.4 billion for all of Voyager's assets. And customers were set to move from Voyager over to FTX. We know what happened with FTX, so of course, FTX is no longer in the game. Binance US coming in and making an offer for $1 billion. It was $1.022, I believe, billion for Voyager's assets, hopefully saving all of Voyager's customers. Now, the SEC and Alameda Research and so many more filing injunctions trying to block this deal from going through for one reason or another. But nonetheless, it has received preliminary approval from the bankruptcy judge presiding over the case for Voyager here. So that's the first step. If this happens, Binance is going to gain a lot of new customers, and it's going to gain roughly $1 billion in assets, to add assets and liability, right? Because we know that we are loaning that money to Binance. Assets and liability, so they're going to be growing their business by a decent amount if this goes through. Now, I say it received preliminary approval from the bankruptcy judge because it still needs to receive approval from the creditors. So I've got money locked in Voyager. If you have money locked in Voyager, we will need to end up voting as to whether or not we approve this sale of assets to Binance. Now, seemingly, what is going to happen here is that if the bid does go through and Binance wins those assets, we would be moving our assets from Voyager over to Binance. From there, we should be able to withdraw, trade, and have access to all of our cryptocurrency. But I don't know if it's going to be 100%. I do not know what percentage we would be settling at in order for Binance to receive those assets. That part I am unaware of. I have not seen anybody, discussing those numbers yet. To reference the last numbers we had seen on the FTX bankruptcy issuance or the bankruptcy proceedings there was 70%. People were expecting to receive 72% of their assets on Voyager if that FTX deal had gone through. I don't know if the numbers are going to be similar or if they're going to be completely different, but that kind of gives you a reference point in what people were expecting the last time Voyager almost made it through the bankruptcy sale. Now, to sum up the cryptocurrency news today, Gala Games, Gala Coin, Gala Crypto, whatever you want to call it, is trending back down after having a massive rally throughout the last week. Why? Without explanation, without reason, without discussion, they deleted the tweet. Gala Games deleted the tweet saying that they had partnered with Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson and Mark Wahlberg for some sort of behind-the-scenes movie production type of a deal, with Gala Games partnering with Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson and Mark Wahlberg. Now, this tweet had given rise to a roughly 70% increase in Gala Crypto that day, and now we are back down to in the 3-cent range. And after being reached out to for comment, of course, Gala Games has no comment, no reason they deleted this tweet. A lot of people speculating that Gala Games could have been getting ahead of themselves, could have been just flat out lying about the partnership with Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson and Mark Wahlberg out there. So, this has called a lot of people to short Gala Crypto, and it has been doing very well to go down in price over the last couple of hours here, and it's going to be very interesting to see how this plays out. Guys, the last thing we need in the crypto space is more liars. Oh my God. There's plenty of those, plenty of liars, scammers, and so on out there. I don't know if that's what Gala Games was doing, but please be aware that they did delete that tweet, and it does not seem like they are giving it a reason or explanation as to why they deleted that announcement that they would be working with Dwayne Johnson and Mark Wahlberg. I want to know what you guys think about the latest cryptocurrency news and updates down in the comments below. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Claybro883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull. You got KuCoin and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.